Hi, folks. Joey Image here. I got a new iPhone. You want to see it? I'm going to show it to you. I have my unboxing knife. I use my unboxing knife for unboxing things. So we will unbox the thing now without my unboxing knife because they have a little perforated deal right here. We don't need the knife. You just pull that bad boy off and there you go. So, hello, folks. This is the new iPhone. 13 Pro, 512 gigs, and Sierra Blue or Seafoam Blue, whatever the S word was in front of the blue word. Let me see. Actually, it doesn't even say on the box. Oh, Sierra Blue. Is that what I said? Sierra Blue? I don't remember. Sierra made some really cool games. I loved Sierra. That was such a great company. So we're going to open up the back. And this is probably going to be very similar to my last iPhone unboxing last year for the 12 Pro, which is this bad boy with this cool little case I bought in Oregon. Or Oregon, I don't know how you say it. Alright, eventually this will open. Sorry for this shitty setup here. Oh, I forgot the other perforated strip. Sorry for this crappy setup here. My wife and I are cleaning our house right now, so things are in shambles, so the background's blurred. But hey, look at, I don't know if you can see, if you can tell, but there's my my framed Days Gone poster. You can't tell because of the blur. Anyway, all right. Why does the other phone say Face ID? I haven't done anything yet. All right. Top is off. The box is now topless. The little tab is being lifted. There we go. Nice white screen. Nice blue background. There's my new Lightning USB-C. Oh, you can't see that either. There's the Lightning USB-C cable. There's the little booklet with the stickers and stuff in it that I don't ever care about. Let's pull the screen gimmick off. Isn't that wonderful? Woo! Yay. That was a weird little woo thing I just did. I'm sorry about that. There we go. She's a pretty one. That's Sierra Blue. That's a pretty sweet looking color. I wish this was in 4K now so you can actually see it better. But let me compare this to last year's. I don't know what the hell the blue was even called last year. I don't remember. So again, oh wow, the camera lenses are freaking huge, much huger, much huger. So this is the new one right here, and this is the previous 12 Pro right there. You can see how much larger the, I can't see it, but you can see how much larger the camera lenses are. That's pretty cool. And you can see the difference in color, which this one's much lighter. So let me see. I actually did not know about the size, but yes, it does fit in my old 12 case. I wasn't sure about the size, if the size was the same or not, but it does. Oh shit. Well, the front of it fits. The back of it doesn't fit because of the lens, which means I didn't buy a case because I thought I could use my other case. And I just bought this case a week and a half ago. Come on, you're killing me, people. Anyway, there you go. Boring video. Again, same as my last couple of iPhone unboxings. You can't even tell that it's blue. It looks, if I pull it back a little bit, you still can't really, there, you can kind of see it there. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm going to make this very short. That's about it. I'm going to play with this, set it up, get all my crap transferred, and I will talk to you later. Guys, thanks for watching. Please follow me on all social platforms at Joey Image TV. I'm trying to keep this video less than 5 minutes. There's already a million unboxing videos already out there. My own from previous years and others from this year. So I'm sure you're probably not even going to watch this. Have a good day. Take care, folks.